This is a site that is, I believe, significant to the American Revolution. Washington, George Washington. Yeah, it's pretty cool. They close here at sundown. Apparently they locked the gate. I went into the visitor center, talked to the rangers. This is what this looks like. Oh, these people, these are the ones that just went down over there. Now they're climbing back up. This is such a cool thing. They apparently don't care to do anything except for go down the rapids. So this group, if you just joined in, this group that's coming up here just came down and then went around here, and now it looks like they're going back up. My favorite is Yosemite. For sure, Yosemite. I feel pretty strongly about that. There's definitely some other national parks that I love too.